Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever struggled with those super long, messy-looking links in your Google Sheets, this tutorial is going to be a game changer for you. Today I'll walk you through, step by step, how to insert, edit, or shorten a hyperlink URL in Google Sheets so your spreadsheets can look more professional and be much easier to navigate. By the end of this video, you'll know how to transform those ugly URLs into clean, clickable links with custom names, making your sheets way more user-friendly and organized. Alright, let's dive right in. Imagine you've got a really long link maybe to Google Doc, a news article, or a company website just sitting there in your sheet. Not only does it look a little overwhelming, but it also makes your data harder to read. So the first thing you want to do is turn that URL into a proper clickable hyperlink. Here's how you do it. Go ahead and click on the cell that contains your link. Once you've selected it, head up to the toolbar at the top of the page and look for the Insert menu. Click on Insert, and then you'll see an option to edit link. If you've never used this feature before, don't worry, it's actually very intuitive. This is where you can do a little magic. In the small pop-up window that appears, you'll see two fields, one for the URL itself and one for the text you want to display. The beauty here is that you can keep the link exactly as it is, but change the display text to something short and meaningful, like company homepage or project details. Just type in your new hyperlink name and press Apply. Instantly, your long, unsightly URL is hidden behind a neat, clickable word or phrase. Not only does this make your sheet look cleaner, but it also helps you and anyone else using your document find what they're looking for much faster. Now there's another quick and easy way to edit these hyperlinks directly in your sheet. This is especially handy if you're doing a lot of link editing or just want a more visual shortcut. Instead of going through the menu, simply click once on the cell with the link. You'll notice a little pen or edit icon appears right next to it, almost like a digital sticky note telling you, hey, you can make changes here. Click on that pen icon and the same editing window will pop up. From here, it's the same deal. Just change the hyperlink name to something concise, press Apply, and you're done. If you make a mistake, don't worry. You can always repeat these steps to update the link text as many times as you need. Sometimes you might wonder what to call your hyperlink. A good rule of thumb is to keep it short but descriptive. For example, instead of leaving a long string of numbers and letters, call it Meeting Notes April or Sales Dashboard. This makes your sheet really intuitive, especially if you're sharing it with teammates or clients who may not know what every link is for. Give yourself a few moments to go through your most important links and update them. You'll be amazed at how much easier it is to read and use your sheet when each link is clearly labeled. And hey, don't worry if you don't get it perfect the first time. It's super easy to go back and edit, so just play around with it until you're happy with how things look. That's all there is to it. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to give the video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or want to share your own Google Sheets tips, drop a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials just like this one. I'll see you in the next video.